Today, let's show you the 5-ton electric forklift. It is powered by a high-performance battery, requiring no fuel supply, thus completely getting rid of the oil circuit system of traditional internal combustion forklifts. For example, the 5-ton electric forklift can easily carry fully loaded goods and travel smoothly on various road surfaces. When lifting 2 tons of goods, it can reach the maximum height in one go, fully demonstrating its excellent lifting performance and load-bearing stability. The high-performance battery pack supports 8 to 12 hours of continuous operation, paired with an intelligent charger. It can replenish most of the power in a short time under fast charging mode. To help everyone better observe the lifting height of the forklift, we use a tape measure and tape to show it to you. The height and weight of our forklifts can be customized, with models available from 1 ton to 10 tons. Moreover, even in special cases of overload, it can handle it with ease.